Hopefully you guys can hear me. I forgot to make a video of installing the lower control arm, or upper control arm on this thing. It was pretty bent. But this is the first real drive. I tried doing an alignment at my work, but front tie rods, inner and outer seized, so really should be doing them. The toe links in the rear were seized, couldn't get them. So I'm kind of eating through the rear tires right now, but car's driving good, it pulls good, sounds healthy. It just hit 163K yesterday. Right now it has no mufflers on it, it's just dumping right by the rear subframe. Doesn't sound too bad, but it's pretty droney. But record some driving in this car on this next road.